In 2011, VirtualFly started with a very clear idea: offering a solution to everyone who needed a simulation product and to take flight simulation to the next level of realism, both for professionals and flight enthusiasts. Now, what started as just a small workshop with a great passion for aviation has nowadays become a worldwide recognized company in the flight simulation world. During all these years, we have grown, innovated, and developed the ultimate technology that is currently used by pilots, training schools, and enthusiasts to fly all over the world.
Early days of VirtualFly were very hands-on. The first products that we built were almost by hand, by a very small team, but with a very clear idea of what we wanted to achieve. The first idea was to design and build products with the highest level of realism that was present at that time. And the second concept was the warranty, but the after-sales technical support. This is very important, and this is something that was not very common at that time, 15 years ago. So these two ideas, realism and technical support, was the starting point of what VirtualFly is today.
Behind every product, there is a team that works every day to innovate, improve, and offer the best customer service. At VirtualFly, we prioritize integral customer service and specialized technical support pre- and post-purchasing our products. Our commitment goes beyond the purchasing, providing continuous technical assistance and a 3-year warranty with the goal of offering the best performance, reliability, and optimal results of our products. All of these departments working together make possible what VirtualFly is, and thanks to them, we have reached so far and we are sure we will go further.
Over the years, VirtualFly has continued to grow and evolve. What just began with a very few products has grown to a very complete range of flight simulator products, used both for professional flight schools or for enthusiastic private pilots. Thanks to the dedication and the commitment of today, we are one of the companies that design and manufacture one of the best flight simulator products, including certified flight simulators that are leading on the world market of the flight simulator systems. Today, our presence reaches every part of the world thanks to our clients and dealers, both through marketplaces and certified companies for the professional flight simulator products.
The work of my team and I is essentially to go and translating the requirements from clients into a flight simulator just as the one that you can see behind me. We work closely with our clients to make sure that all of their requirements and all of the experiences that the pilots feel in the aircraft are translated directly into the flight simulators that we produce at the level of certification that is required from our market. We stick to the FAA standards to make sure that flight schools and academies can use them accurately during their training process, but we don't stop there. We make sure that we not only meet the requirements but exceed them by far, and also paying special care always to make sure that all the procedures and emergencies and essentially everything that pilots need to be able to recreate in the aircraft can be also done in the flight simulators that we produce. The team and I are constantly working on new products to make sure that VirtualFly stands at the forefront of innovation at all times. A very important part of my job is making sure that all of the hardware we developed is essentially connected via a software bridge to the digital world. This not only makes sure that every switch, every button, every cockpit element that is present in the simulator mimics the functionality in the aircraft, but also is obviously FAA approved, so that pilots can essentially recreate all the navigational procedures and emergency procedures and essentially have the feel of the muscle memory that they would get from training in the real aircraft.
Nowadays, VirtualFly is a consolidated company that keeps on growing and evolving in the flight simulation world. Our commitment to excellence goes hand in hand with innovation and technology, always improving our products. After 15 years, our goal is still the same: to take flight simulation to the next level, providing the best products and supporting our customers whenever they need any assistance whatsoever. We will work in the same way to keep on flying further.